One word for Vice President Sara.
No comment?
One word
Never mind.
for Harry Roque.
Inday.
One word for President BBM.
Masipag. Honest.
One word for Kiko Barzaga.
Meow.
One word for Lian Leviste.
Businessman, sabi niya.
One word for the Senate.
Magulo.
One word for Congress.
Maayos.
Spontaneous or prepared.
Parehong dapat eh. You can be spontaneous.
May
Pero
pagkakataon.
may pagkakataon, pero dapat prepared ka rin kasi if you will just talk of anything without being prepared, problem is we are choosing leaders which are not fitted to the positions. That's the problem eh. Kung pipili lang po tayo ng maayos na leader, hindi naman problema yung sistema ng gobyerno eh. Ang may problema po kasi dito yung pinipili nating leader, merong gahaman sa posisyon, may gahaman sa pera. Di ba? Puro pansarili ang inisip. It's not the system. It's the people.
Okay.
Pwede po yun. But we should avoid fake news. What's the problem what we are dealing with right
Today.
now? No, we are dealing about fake news spread. No, the spread of fake news that affects the economy, the government. So lahat po ito nakaka-apekto.
So pagdating sa fake news, meron bang programa ang PCO?
Meron po.
Meron. Sa 10. 10 being the highest. Harry Roque as spokesperson.
Do I have to judge him?
You don't have to.
Wag na lang.
1 to 10. 10 being the highest. Yourself as a spokesperson.
O, syempre, dapat 10. Bakit ko naman, hayaan nyo nang i-judge kayo.
If you can ask President BBM, isang tanong lang, ano yun?
Hanggang kailan mo matitiis yung fake news?
One question for Senator Alan Cayetano, what would it be?
Tatagal ka pa ba dyan?
If you can ask one question to God, what would it be?
Can you forgive them?